Daijahao everybody, welcome back. Got a fantastic video lined up for you. It's the 2026 Azalea Festival right here in the famous Da'an Park. So without further ado guys, let's get started. Spring in Taipei hits differently here in Da'an Park. It's the final day of the 2026 Azalea Festival and the park has been transformed. To make sure you get the full experience, I've organized this walk into the 4 best floral zones. From the urban skyline views to the hidden garden pass, here's the 2026 finale in all its glory. Let's get started. Also, guys, looks like we ran into an unexpected Pokemon event. I wasn't aware anything had started up here as well, but it looks like we might see some Pokemoners and maybe some more displays. We'll film them as we find them available. Let's keep going, guys. All right, guys, we're kicking off at the iconic Arc Centerpiece. These sailboat displays labeled Echoes for Life aren't here just for show. They symbolize an ecological vessel docked right here in Da'an Park. Here's a secret fact for you. 2026 actually marks the 10th anniversary of the Taipei Azalea being named the official city flower. And seeing these sails on the final day is a perfect tribute to a decade of blooms. Now let's head deeper into the park for Zone 2. It's not a very spring or sunny like day here, but I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, smash that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Welcome to Zone 2, where the 2026 festival takes a prehistoric turn. Jurassic Awakens features 3 massive metal dinosaur sculptures towering right over the blooms. It's a bold nature versus metal contrast has become the ultimate 10th anniversary photo op. Seeing these metallic giants guarded by Taipei's official flower is an exclusive you can't miss. Now let's leave the dinosaurs behind and head to the hidden pass of Zone 3. Beep beep! Hi beep beep! All right, guys, for Zone 3, we're stepping into a more rugged natural escape. Hosted by the Chi Sing Foundation, this display features a thatched hutch, stone pathways, and a massive picnic-style table nestled right among the blooms. On this final day, this is the best spot to sit and actually soak in the 10th anniversary atmosphere. It's the park's hidden sanctuary, but wait till you see the grand finale in Zone 4. Let's keep going, guys. Finally, guys, Zone 4, the central display. where a sea of clear umbrellas is woven right into the blooms. It started as an art installation, but when an unexpected rainstorm hit our final shoot, these umbrellas became the star of the show. There is something cinematic about watching the rain hit the petals while shielded by this glass-like canopy. It seems to be the perfect moment to this journey. Let's keep going. All right, guys, we got finished just in time. It's starting to rain. I hope you enjoyed the 2026 Azalea Festival here in Park. Till next time, guys. 大家再见. See you all on the next video.